Hello, I was assigned question 25 out of section 1.1. So let's just get started. We were given the initial differential equation y prime equals 3x squared multiplied by y squared plus 1, and the general solution y of x equals tangent of x cubed plus a constant, and an initial value that is equal to 1. Okay, so to get started, we needed to verify the general solution is a solution for this differential equation. So I substituted tangent of x cubed plus c in on the left and the right side anywhere I saw a y. So you'll see that on the left side of the equal sign, it's just we're going to be taking the derivative of that function, and on the right, we have 3x squared multiplied by tangent of x cubed plus c squared plus 1. So I took the derivative of the left side and gave me secant squared of x cubed plus c, that's the derivative of the adder function, and then with the chain rule we also multiply that by the derivative of the inner function, so that's 3x squared, and then on the right we have the exact same thing as we had before. After that I moved everything from the right side over to the left side. So we're now left with 3x squared times secant squared of x cubed plus 3 minus everything we had on the right. And then by a basic trigonometric property, we know that tangent squared plus 1 is equal to secant squared. So I made that substitution in with tangent squared, giving us 3x squared times secant squared of x cubed plus c minus that exact same thing is equal to 0. So we get that 0 is equal to 0, and that obviously all checks out. Okay, so the next thing it asks is to find a specific constant value for our generic solution. So if we recall, the function given, or the general solution given to us, was tangent of x cubed plus c, and the next thing I did was I just substituted 0 in because our initial value is y of 0 is equal to 1. So I substituted 0 in, so I got tangent of 0 cubed plus c is equal to 1. So basically that's saying 1 is equal to the tangent of c, and by some basic unit circle knowledge and some trig, I got that c is equal to pi over 4. And so our particular solution here is y of x is equal to the tangent of x cubed plus pi over 4. Okay, and the last thing it asks us to do is just draw a graph with our solution plus a bunch of other just generic solutions. Obviously, if you were to graph this, your calculator is going to do a lot better than me. I'm not an artist by any means, but it's pretty apparent which one is the right solution and which are the generic ones. And then the initial value is met at 0, 1.